Cooking with Jackson, number 2. So today we're cooking barbecue chicken. So our ingredients we have sweet and spicy barbecue and normal barbecue. So honey, Jamaica barbecue sauce, and Daddy's secret ingredient. So let's add our ingredients in. So sweet barbecue sauce. Let's open it. And now let's pour. Sorry to squeeze. Now let's put the cap on. Now let's put this one. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Now for the honey, we'll keep the chicken sticking together. Now let's add our Jamaica one. And let's move on. Oh, now what's that? That is secret ingredient. Now, let's try it. Put that to the side. Daddy, you can go first. Okay. I like it.
Not bad. I think that'll work.
Now let's move the sauce and then the chicken. So let's get this ready. Okay. Okay. Now let's flip. So now let's flip it over. Okay, now let's let it marinate and we'll be ready. So let's do our second step. So let's grab more sauce. Okay, now Daddy does the rest.
All right. So let's get this going here. Oops, wait a minute. I always hit the air fryer first. 390. We will dual it. So now the time. Oops. We're going to go for 22 minutes this time. And we'll pause it in the middle. So let's go ahead and that. There we go. Now we'll start.
I can put these over. Oh.
Okay, as you can see, unfortunately, during our cooking thing, Jackson did burn his hand, unfortunately.
Yes.
Something you have to be aware of when you are cooking, and there's things do get hot, and there's also sharp objects around. But
It's fine.
yes, everything's all right. It was just, he just got some red on there, so he got off pretty quick. So
Yes.
after this, we'll show you the end results, and we'll be good.
Also, I did not drop the food, so like and subscribe so I don't drop the food again.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Having sex with a minor. Charges that carry a penalty between 5 and 50 years in federal prison.